This is Driving with Miles. I'm a state certified instructor. We're going to talk about starting a car and reversing it out of a driveway. Happy holidays. I hope things are good. I want you to continue to work hard. So let's go ahead and get it. So we started the car. You always want to have your foot on the brake. This is the 2020 version, so it does have a backup camera, so we'll talk about using that. I gotta look left and right. Your foot's on the brake. You can see the backup camera, so you want to look left, you want to look right, you want to look and back down slowly. You got to look both ways. The camera is here to help you, but also you want to look in both ways and scan. And then you turn out hand over hand. So let's talk about driving. We reversed out. We're going to go ahead and do some hand over hand steering. You want to, speed limit is 25 in a neighborhood. So I'm driving around 20 to 19 miles an hour. You want to go slow. You want to take your time. It's the holidays, kids play, there are cars on both sides. So you want to signal your intention 100 feet, a half a block. You want to go slow. And I have a pedestrian up here and a dog, so I'm just covering my brake, letting them walk. I'm a dog owner also. So I'm gonna come up and stop. And I'm gonna look left, right, and left. And then I'm gonna turn hand over hand. You can see my hands. And then I'm gonna turn out hand over hand. You wanna have good steering and you wanna have good control of your car. Always know where you're driving, always know where you're going, and hand over hand steering is essential. I know there are different parts of the word. I use hand to hand, but today this is how to turn hand over hand. I'm going to make a left turn at this neighborhood. I'm going to turn hand over hand into the turners. I'm looking down the street. You need to turn hand over hand out and look down the street. I have good speed control. I'm going slow. I'm taking my time. I'm looking ahead. I'm at about 20 miles an hour. A lot of times beginning drivers panic when they see cars coming. You have to share the road. So what I'm going to do is this next opening to the right, I'm going to go ahead and get over here to the right and be a gentleman and just let them go by. Expect a wave or a smile, or you don't get a wave or a smile. It's all good. So I'm maintaining good speed control. I'm taking my time. I'm looking ahead, and I want to continue driving. Again, scanning for kids, scanning for people, looking ahead and being safe. I'm going to be making a right-hand turn. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and make a left. I'm going to make a left on the street. I'm looking, I'm scanning, I'm checking my rear view mirror, and then I turn hand over hand into the turn, and I turn out hand over hand. That is a good hand over hand turn. Let's make another left hand turn here. So I'm looking, I'm scanning, and then I'm going to turn hand over hand into the turn, and then I turn out hand over hand. Let's go ahead and talk about a quick three-point turn. I'm going to make a left turn in the driveway. I turn hand over hand, and then I turn back hand over hand. I see the car coming, so I'm going to wait. I'm holding my brake. There's my backup camera again, but it's advisable that you look out your side windows just like I'm looking. And also you do have a warning. I know you feel weird whenever you pull up in someone's driveway, but sometimes you have to do that. And then I'm looking, I turn back hand over hand. Steering is the utmost importance. So let's go ahead and break this down. I'm going to go ahead and make a right turn. I'm coming up. I have a complete stop for 3 seconds. They didn't stop. Always a good role model. So I'm looking left, looking right. I turn hand over hand into the turn. I turn out hand over hand. So we're going to go ahead and pull it over. I'm a state certified instructor. I teach teens and adults. I've been teaching driver's education for 21 years. I do driver's ed tutorials. I teach segment 1, I teach segment 2. What I need you to do is subscribe to my channel. There's going to be some really great content coming in the next 24 hours. This has been Driving with Miles. Please give us a thumbs up and thank you.